In today's video I want to show you guys what you can do if your Euro Truck Simulator 2 is not starting or opening. Okay, for the first step we go into the search bar and here we look for the task manager. So click on this and here we look for all processes from Euro Truck Simulator 2 which are running right now. So that can be the launcher you have started it with, the anti-cheat or the game. So and if you find something, right click on it and then enter task. Because sometimes background processes from the game running in the background and this causes that the real game cannot start. So what we want to do is to end these processes that a complete restart of the game is possible. So this is the first step we can do. After that we can click on the search bar. Here we look for the game. So type in Euro Truck Simulator. I do this now with this program for example, but you type in Euro Truck Simulator. Here should be the Euro Truck Simulator as the app. Right click on it and then here you can directly run this as an administrator, or you can open file location. So and then here we have you can right click on it again, show more options, properties, and then here we have compatibility, and here we can run this program in compatibility mode, disable the full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and after that you have to restart your PC that the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find a solution and then see you next time.